Graphs, X and Y coordinates. In maths, graphs are used to visually represent relationships between numbers. And one of the most important things you'll need to understand is how to read coordinates from a graph. Let's break this down step by step, including how to navigate the different regions, how to read coordinates, and how to find special points like the midpoint of a line. A graph is drawn on a coordinate plane, which is a flat surface with two lines. You have the x-axis, which runs horizontally from the left to right across the page, and you have the y-axis, which runs vertically, which is up and down the page. These axes cross at a point called the origin, which is where both the x and y values are 0, and the coordinates of the origin are written as 0, 0. The first thing you will need to know about graphs is to know how to read the coordinates from them. Coordinates are written as x, y. This tells you where a point is located on the graph. The x-coordinate tells you how far along the point is, starting from the origin and moving left or right. The y-coordinate tells you how far up or down the point is from the origin. And the coordinates are always written in alphabetical order, x, then y. A graph has 4 different quadrants, also known as regions. The top right region is the easiest because all the coordinates in it are positive. You'll need to be careful in the other regions though, because the x and y coordinates could be negative, and that can make things a little more difficult. The midpoint of a line segment in a graph is a point that lies exactly in the middle of the line, splitting it into 2 equal parts. You can think of it as the halfway point between the 2 ends of a line. This midpoint has its own set of coordinates, which you can find using a simple method. To find the coordinates of the midpoint, you follow these 3 easy steps. Let's break them down. The x-coordinates are the first numbers in each pair of coordinates that tell you how far left or right the points are on the graph. To find the average, you add these 2 numbers together and then divide by 2. This gives you the x-coordinate of the midpoint. The y-coordinates are the second number in each pair of coordinates and tell you how far up or down the points are on the graph. Just like with the x, you add the y-coordinates together and divide by 2 to find the average. This gives you the y-coordinate of the midpoint. Once you have the average of the x and y coordinates, you simply put these 2 numbers together in a pair of brackets to get the midpoint. Finding the midpoint is helpful because it allows you to quickly identify at the center of any line segment on a graph. It's used in various math problems like dividing a line equally, finding the center of shapes, or solving geometry problems. You can think of it this way. If you were standing at the end of a line and you wanted to meet someone exactly halfway, the midpoint is where you would meet. On a graph, it's the balance point of the line segment, ensuring both sides are equal in length.